Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is another exciting mystery box unboxing. This time it's a steampunk theme box from Journalsay. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love themed journaling supplies and I can't wait to see what's inside this box. We're going to go through everything together and take a closer look at all the details. I always find mystery boxes so inspiring because you never know what creative treasures you're going to discover. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love the artwork on the box. Let's open this up. You get your thank you card, the discount code on the side. I've got my own discount code in the description box if you're interested in getting this box. Ooh, look at this. It's full of all loads of goodies. Oh, there's a lot in this box. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through everything with you. I'm going to unwrap things and show you each product in detail. These boxes are not just for journalers, you can use them for paper crafts and all sorts of things. And that's everything that was included in the mystery box. I really enjoy mystery boxes because they introduced me to products and designs I might have not picked out myself, and this collection definitely didn't disappoint. There were so many beautiful steampunk elements in this box, and I have ideas for future spreads. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite products. If you'd like to see these products transformed into the finished journal spread, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. If you would like this box, the link will be in the description box as well as my discount code.